Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Siti Nur Hafizah binti Sayuti S55561. I will present to you about my final year project, which is the community structure of macrobenthos in the southern part of Pulau Perhentian Kecil. Macrobenthos are invertebrates that live in or on the surface of the sediment and are important organisms in ecosystem processes such as silt decomposition. Macrobenthos also have a very important function in marine ecosystem as they have unique feeding habits. They play an important role in system energy flow by influencing the abundance and composition of tertiary consumer species because they can serve food for various predators and shellfish to prey. In addition, macrobenthos consist of various species including gastropods, which is deposit feeder, bivalve, subspecial feeder, starfish and gastropod, which is predator, and others more. Also, they have size in the range of 0.5 mm and more than 3.0 mm. Also, due to their limited ability to move and have a long lifespan, they also have been used as bioindicator to monitor island pollution. Pulau Perhentian is one of the Gazette Marine Park and is divided into two areas, namely Perhentian Besar and Perhentian Kecil. To be specific, this island is one of the islands that is famous as the best tourist destination in Malaysia because of the diverse marine organisms and its beautiful environment. Hence, various infrastructure have been developed including jetties, primary schools, small health centers, several restaurants and small shops to meet the daily needs of local people. The location of this study is adjacent to the village area where it is exposed to various ecological impacts such as sewage and physical disturbance due to non-protected area. Problem statement of this study is: first, local physical changes and pollution caused by human disturbance will affect the structure of benthic community. Lack of ecological study focusing on macrobenthos and their relationship to environment factor in Pulau Perhentian. Third is the status of ecosystem and benthic community in the Pulau Perhentian Kecil is not well known. Significance of study. This study will be contribute as baseline information on the community structure of macrobenthos in Pulau Perhentian, Terengganu. It can be used as useful reference for government or relevant agency to create more efficiency policy and management strategy in Pulau Perhentian. It also can supply information about macrobenthos status in Pulau Perhentian to help other researchers continue the study in more detail. The objective of the study is: first, to study the community structure of macrobenthos in the southern part of Pulau Perhentian Kecil, and the second is to determine the diversity of macrobenthic community in the southern part of Pulau Perhentian Kecil. The study will conduct in 6 stations in the southern part of Pulau Perhentian Kecil. 3 replicate sediment samples were collected at 6 stations in the subtidal area by using one vein grape sampler. Samples were emptied into a bucket, stirred and then washed and sieved through 0.5 mm mesh sieve. The retained sediment after sieved through a 0.5 mm were backwashed into separate label container and preserved in 5% borate buffer formalin for 48 hours to properly fix. In laboratory, sediment containing macrobenthos will be backwashed through a 0.5 mm sieve in fume cardboard to remove the formalin. Next, macrobenthos will be sorted using light microscope for species identification process, and sample will be classified according to taxa. Benthos identification will be analyzed to the lowest taxonomy level. Sample will be stored in the class via containing 70% ethanol for further research. This study used Magalhaes Index, Shannon Diversity Index, and Pilo Index. Significant difference between species number, density, and diversity between different sampling sites were compared using the analysis of variant ANOVA. A total 3,157 individuals of macrobenthos were recorded in this study belonging to 7 phyla and 10 class. Among them, the most abundant phylum was mollusks with 93% of composition. The other phylum contribute to a substantially small percentage of composition, where Annelida were record only 112 individuals, following by Brachiopoda 72 individuals, Arthropoda 18 individuals, and other 6 individuals. Within the mollusk class, Gastropoda extremely dominate with more than 3/4 of the total individual, 2,650 individuals compared to Scapoda 201 individuals and bivalve only 98 individuals. 2 species of Gastropoda, Bithium glariosum and Mendex barbarae, were the most abundant species with a total of 648 and 512 individuals respectively. Overall, there were a total of 19 species of macrobenthos collected in the study area. There were no significant difference in the number of species between stations. The similar strain was also evidence for a diversity matrix Margalef index, where only macrobenthic communities in Station 1 recorded a significantly higher diversity compared to other stations. Analysis of the macrobenthic community using richness and evenness characteristics record no significant difference between the stations except for Station 6. The macrobenthic community in the southern part of Pulau Perhentian Kecil was dominated by Gastropoda, Scapoda and bivalve. The dominance of this taxa also recorded in the estuary in Malaysia by John et al. 2015. The abundance of Gastropoda can be associated with the soil type and food availability. Sahirin et al. 2019 state that the abundance of Gastropoda can be linked with the sediment characteristic, which was dominated by muddy particle and their feeding mechanism, which relies mainly on the detritus, make this group to favor the muddy sediment. Moreover, higher number of Bithyum glariosum and Mandex barbarae may related to increased frequency of contacts due to human activity at this site, which apparently create favorable microhabits for gastropods. In addition, tidal condition may give an advantage to the bivalve, which is a filter feeder. Overall, the community structure of macrobenthos in the southern part of Pulau Perhentian Kecil were dominated by mollusca consisting of Gastropoda, Scapoda and bivalve. Meanwhile, the higher diversity were recorded at Station 1 with 1.04 total mean. A further study that measures the sediment characteristic of the area is recommended for a better understanding on how the different types of sediment would affect the composition of benthic organisms.